Hi, this is Classic Techart and welcome to another video. As you can see to my computer screen, this is a fantastic app typography design. So this is a very simple logo design. So no matter what, I'm starting. Let's begin. Start. So first of all, I needed to select all the things and set up a smaller and keep here. And what we need to first of all go to the rectangle tool over here. If you press over here, you see so many tools there. But I need just exactly this rectangle tool, and I will drag over here. You see how it's doing? You can see. Okay, so I need to now copy all the things by pressing Alt key and by pressing Shift key. So that's middle. And another copy by pressing Control and D shift. You see, this comes automatic. So first of all, I need to now just to little bit smaller over here and again little bit like that. And now select this one and go to the direct selection and click over here. And sorry, not at this one. Like that. Just click here. Now just click over here, and you see, and over here, and like that. It's done. Another thing is that like this one. So I need it also over here and like that, and also over here like that. You see, it's happening. So another thing is that I need to now just rotate the 90-degree rotate and keep over here exactly like that, and just copy this one like that, just by pressing Ctrl G and F. It's done. And I need to go to over here again and take this one like that, and just over here again like that. Okay, already done. But more clear this object, I need to just to change the color. You see, I needed to change the color. You see, already done. And I need to now just to select this all and go to the over here, the shape builder tool, and just to same, and just by pressing Alt key and delete all the things. So it's the same, very simple, very easy, super easy. So right now, just I needed just to change the color like that. I will go to the over here, change the color, change the color. Okay. So I did not put this one exactly. So but that is maybe taking problem. I was taking problem. So I think maybe it's now okay. Don't know what happened over here. Okay, so I just gonna go over here, put things. See, Now happen is there. You see? Exactly what I wanted. So this is all what I wanted. Just delete this one and keep that one. So exactly this what I wanted. So thanks for watching.